In this video, I'll show you how to add a new user on your Mac. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to subscribe and like the video. The steps are the same for MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac and Mac Mini. First, open System Settings on your Mac. Now, scroll down and click on Users and Groups. Here, click on Add User. Enter your Mac password or use Touch ID to continue. Click Unlock. Now, choose the account type. You can select Standard, Administrator or Sharing Only depending on your needs. After that, enter the full name for the new user. Now, create a username and password for the account. You can also add a password hint if you want. Once everything is ready, click on Create User. And that's it. The new user account has now been added to your Mac. You can switch users directly from the login screen or from the top menu bar.